Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. Grounding is one of the most important tools in animal communication. While I greatly suggest everyone not to put themselves into the habit of grounding before every communication, I also insist that grounding becomes a part and parcel of their life. Just as we see all animals having some or the other grounding activities in their daily routine like stretching, digging or sniffing, likewise even we should have some small activities that enable us to ground ourselves. Some of the common grounding techniques is walking bare feet on Mother Nature, or meditating, or getting involved in any creative art or anything else in fact that you may find grounding. But did you know that we can also use our senses to ground ourselves? So in this video I am going to share with you one such trick to use one of your senses to ground, and that one sense today is going to be a sense of vision. So if you are a visual person, if you receive messages visually or if you send messages visually as well, this technique will help you ground better. If it does, do mention in the comment section below, or if it doesn't and if you have some other technique of grounding, do mention that so that we can learn as well. So in this technique, I would want you to either focus on something that you can see, or you can close your eyes and imagine something visual. Now ensure that if you are focusing on something you can see, ensure that you noticed everything about that certain thing that you are seeing. Go as in depth as possible. Remember every point that you are seeing. For example, if you are staring at a plant, you can look at the leaves, the different textures, the colors the leaf have, the different shapes the leaves have, the branches, if you can see any dust around, if you can see any insects, so on and so forth, and ensure you get engaged in it at least for the next couple of minutes. I know some people can do it for a very long time and some people may have a shorter threshold of holding that kind of focus and attention. It absolutely doesn't matter how long you take to do it, as long as you do it and you feel aligned with your energy, that is enough to ground yourself. If you are using the second technique where you are closing your eyes, then keep imagining something that you would like to visually see. It could be absolutely anything out of your imagination and keep adding details to it. Focus on the details and ensure that you are understanding the details at a deeper level. Again, the time here is not important. You can do it for an hour, or if you can do it for just a couple of minutes. As long as you feel grounded while you're doing it and after it, that is what really counts. I hope this technique is helpful to those of you who find yourself visual, or even those who would want to experiment with other techniques of grounding. If you do experiment, let us know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback on it. Until the next one, bye bye.